Thank you so much for joining in, and for today's class I'm going to show you how to create these beautiful florals in a very short amount of time. These are quick roses, and I'm going to go over how to practice here in the beginning with some of the petals and leaves, and then we're going to jump right into the project, and I will go over all of the colors and supplies used and some of the brushes that I used and sizes, and that's about it. So let's jump right in. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other classes. I have lots of other watercolor classes, and I have some gouache and some ink illustration and a regular acrylic, so you can feel free to check out those too.